Hello, hello, welcome, welcome. You may hear a little weird sound for like adjusting my mic. Okay, hi, happy Halloween. I'm just gonna be playing random stuff tonight. I had a different idea, different plans and everything, but things started acting weird. So, just gonna be playing some random stuff. Like, I wanted to see. I've wanted to play this on stream for a long time, but I never got around to it. So I'm just trying to knock all those things out of the way just to give them a try. Because I have this and the second one. I really wanted to start it. I've never really done anything with these games, but I heard they were pretty good back in the day. Oh, hello, Mayo and Goofy Goobers. How you doing?
The human mind.
I'll mute for a
600
sec.
miles of synaptic fiber, 5.5 ounces of cranial fluid, 1,500 grams of complex neural matter, a 3-pound pile of dreams. But I'll tell you what it really is. It is the ultimate battlefield.
Oh, my day was good. I hope your days were good
ultimate
too.
weapon. The wars of this modern age, the psychic age, are all fought somewhere between these damp.
And tell me if it's too loud or too low or whatever.
From this day forward, you are all psychic soldiers, paranormal paratroopers, mental marines who are about to ship out on the adventure of their lives. This is our beachhead, and this is your landing craft. You shall engage the enemy in his own mentality. You shall chase his dreams. You shall fight his demons. You shall live his nightmares. And those of you who fight well, you will find yourselves on the path to becoming international secret agents. In other words, Psychonauts. The rest of
Psychonauts.
you will die.
They're all just kids.
Oh, Maury.
Children, you are not going to die.
Well, if you're not a psychonaut, then you might as well be dead.
They told me this was a summer camp.
Mayo and Goofy Goobers, are you guys like
Don't worry
the
about
same
old Coach
person?
Oleander. I've been coming here for years, and trust me, nothing ever happens.
Yeah, Dogan, Lily's right. You don't got nothing to worry about. Except for that giant monster in the lake I was telling you about.
Bobby Zilch, I told you to stop.
What was I
scaring
talking
people with
about?
that ridiculous
I was just
old
wondering
legend.
why you guys said
I
the
don't
same
want
thing
my
at the
kids
same
to be
time.
afraid to go out at night and walk alone on the perfectly safe paths of Whispering Rock Psychic Summer Camp. And we don't want to scare our special guests, superstar psychonauts Sasha 9 and Mia Vodello.
Whoa! Light monster!
Formation.
Oh, okay. That was just kind of funny.
It's resisting. Quick, bring it over here.
What is it?
It's just a little boy. What's your
It's a
name,
child.
darling?
Throw it back into the woods.
Kid, get in! Ugh.
My name
Starts with a D.
is Rasputin,
Rasputin.
but everybody calls me Raz.
Please don't kill us, lake monster!
Compelling.
Armored like a tank.
Sorry I'm late. I don't want to disrupt your briefing, Agent Oleander. Agents 9, Vodello, please, continue.
Where do you think you're going?
You've broken into a highly classified remote government training facility.
I know, isn't it great?
Yeah, it's great.
Why don't I just sit over here quietly with my fellow psychedets? Hey, how's it going? I like your hat.
We need to have this young man taken from here immediately.
I'll call his parents.
What? But don't you train Psychonauts here?
Yes, darling, but...
To soar across the astral plane. To wage psychic warfare against the enemies of free thought.
That is what I wrote on the front of the pamphlet.
Those words are why I'm here, Coach Oleander. Do you remember what you wrote on the inside of that pamphlet? You were born with a special gift. But the people around you treat it like a curse. Your mother is afraid of you. And your father looks at you with shame in his eyes.
What?
Come to Whispering Rock Psychic Summer Camp, and you can show them all. Back home, your powers make you a loner, an outcast, a circus freak. But in this dojo, in this psychic dojo, they make you a hero.
I want a psychic dojo.
Get that soldier a bunk.
Did he like break in and just kind
No,
of
darling,
convince
you
them to
can
make
stay
him
here
part
for
of
a
him?
few days until your parents come for you, but we can't let you participate in any paranormal training without your parents' consent. I'm sorry.
Wowie. You're so lucky. You get to go home soon.
Home? Back there, I was just like you were, Dogen. Punished by my own family for having powers I never asked for. But here, I have a chance to be something. To make a difference. They may come for me, Dogen. But they'll be looking for Raz.
I'm as
boy.
confused as you are.
What they're going to find, what they don't expect, is Raz. the
This is like
And,
psychic
and
people
then you'll make their
summer
heads
camp
explode?
No.
kind of thing. I don't know.
No. Well, once kinda.
Oh,
But now I wear this special hat. Wanna try it on?
No,
I wear this hat so people's heads won't
He has
explode.
mental defenses like I've never seen in someone so young. If I could just get him in my lab for some experiments, I'm sure he could withstand more than the others.
That kid's 1 in a million, Nine. But I'm not gonna let you turn him into one of your guinea pigs. I've got big plans for that mind.
Oh. Yeah, like this is an older game. Like this is, yeah, well, it's a PS2 game. It's not quite as old as like, you know, I guess I played this before. I'm gonna overrate this one. I'm just gonna be Ixel. Because I just kind of started the game one time to just see what it was like, and then I just never played it again. That was probably in whatever year I bought this. Like, this was probably had this like 10
All right,
years.
settle down in here. Big day tomorrow. I want to see each and every one of you runts in my classroom at 0600 hours on the dot. I'm the early bird, and you're the worms. Got it? Now, lights out!
Okay. Pure darkness. I don't know, I just kind of felt like this is a pretty decent Halloween game, even though it's not exactly Halloween. It's just kind of weird.
Okay, quick eye exam before we start. Huh? Look over that way if you will.
No, I refuse.
Wow, what's that?
Oh, that's a Psi challenge marker. The staff scatters these all over the camp to test the students. Every one of these you find advances you a whole rank.
Wow.
Now look up for me if you will.
No.
Some of the old markers have fallen apart. You'll find bits of them flapping around loose. If you find enough of these Psi cards, you can put them together to make a brand new challenge marker. But you have to buy a Psi core at the camp store to hold them together. Keep ranking up, and before you know it, you'll be able to use brand new psychic powers. Stuff you didn't even know you could do.
And then when do I become a Psychonaut? Because I have to do that before my dad shows up to take me home. Hey, where'd he go? That guy looks so
Psychonaut.
familiar.
Okay, I know change them. I gotta walk around and stuff first before feel like I have to change stuff. Your wings are in the way.
Up! You don't want to be late for basic braining.
Boom.
Woohoo! Basic braining is the best class ever! Woohoo!
Basic braining. Is that like? I don't know. I feel like I want to turn it down a little bit. Just a little bit. I don't know if it was too loud. Oh. Got a double jump. Long jump. And a slam. Okay, neat. Oh, so those are like your item thingies, I guess. These are like Zelda jumps. That's very interesting. What are you doing?
I'm telling you for the last time, no. I would never do that. I could never kill everyone. Oh,
I think you could.
Squirrel trouble?
they're liars is all. Whatever they tell you, it's a lie.
I'll take your word for it.
That hat is protecting everyone from their untimely demise.
As soon as I get these guys to shut up.
Wait. What did I just do? Are you okay? What the heck? Oh no. He murdered the squirrels. Hold on, let me check something really quick. Options. Yeah, I don't know. You just gotta keep that in mind. They're all kids with psychic powers and they're at summer camp being trained to do psychic power stuff. Complete the obstacle course. I need to figure out, can I turn on subtitles in this game maybe? For people that might need them. Oh, there it is. Wait, no. It's on now? Okay. That's all I cared about. You found a loose PSI. I keep wanting to say PS1. Collect 9 of these and you can build a PSI challenge marker out of them. You need a PSI core from the camp store and a little help from Ford Cruller. Okay. What? Arrowhead. Titanium. Buy items at the camp store and other places you find. I see, maybe. Kind of. I also need to go to this place to do some training because I don't talk about my lore much, but I have psychic dream powers and stuff, so I need to learn from this game how to become stronger. Arrowhead thingy.
So, you're dating Elka now. Does that mean we won't hang out as much?
Shoot, I reckon things ain't gonna change one bit. Doggone it, partner. No woman's never gonna...
Hey, you're gonna make my boyfriend late for class. Come on, James. Come on.
Wow. I like this kind of like weird, like odd country vibe.
And by worse, did you possibly mean the best? Because that's what I was thinking.
No, I meant worst, as in I can't even believe we're friends, it's so bad.
Look deeply into your heart, Phoebe. And I think you'll find that even you believe the Levitators is pretty much the dopest name a band could ever have.
The Levitators? Are we some sort of cover band that only plays graduation ceremonies for motivational seminars?
I've been practicing, and I think I could levitate us both during our gigs. For real now.
No way! Last year you dropped me and I broke my drums.
Hey, at least those got fixed. I'll never get back those records you melted with that unplanned pyrotechnics display of yours.
Look, you know when I have a good solo going, sometimes things get hot. I can't help it. And it seemed like part of the show if we named the band the right thing.
Oh, not this again.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Please?
Would you please welcome...
No!
The Fire Starters!
Oh, man. If we're gonna call it that, we might as well call it Burning Itch.
What?
Okay. Oh. Wait.
Hey, how's everybody tonight? You feeling itchy? I said you feeling
No, I don't.
itchy?
I don't care. I'm walking away. What is happening? Am I grinding? Oh my gosh, you can grind in this game on woods. Grinding on rail and woods. Can I get this? Okay, where is the obstacle course? I forgot already. Maybe it's up there. It's probably on like the map or something. We're gonna be confused together. Okay, we'll figure it out. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What is this secret cave? What? Oh. Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. No, 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 no. Wait, what is this? Safe? What's a fridge?
Frozen solid. Frozen solid.
How do you unfreeze this fridge? Oh, hello. I didn't notice this was here. This, net, or whatever the heck. No. I must figure out how to jump over here. I am over here. What is over here? What is that? Oh, the rock is dead. Rock is gone. Wow. I'm just gonna explore and get all the things really quick. I didn't see what that was. Maybe there's a long jump, it just kind of looks like there is. I think that's all I can get right now.
in Polarism Australis.
I don't know who that is or what that is. What's up here?
Hey, where you going, Maloof?
Shh! I snuck out. That class is a death trap for crazy people. Listen, the coach is strong. At the start of class, he pulls you into his mind, and then there's nothing you can do about it. But once you're in, you can use these smelling salts to sneak out. Take mine. I don't need them anymore. I'm calling my parents to come get me before I get hurt.
Too late!
Bobby! Ah!
Oh no, it's Bobby.
You owe me 5 arrowheads for this week's protection service.
Cough it up, my loser, or you'll be coughing up bloody tears.
Hey, leave him alone.
I heard a rumor you were raised in the circus. Well, let me put this in terms you'll understand. I'm the strong man around here.
Really? Because you look more like the cotton candy.
Oh shit.
Benny, put this kid's death on my to-do list.
Come on, we'll see him in class.
Yeah, we'll settle this on the battlefield.
Yeah, I'm gonna become super strong and kick your ass. Oh.
Why don't you take a picture? It'll last longer.
I don't have a camera.
Sorry.
Never mind. Also, this guy that I'm playing as, I think that's Billy's voice from Grim Adventures of Billy and Mandy. I hear that person's voice in a lot of stuff. I don't know their name.
Coach Oleander, I'm reporting for basic braining.
Son, do you
Basic
realize
braining.
to take my course, I will have to pull you into my mind, and you will have to relive every bullet-scarred memory of every battle I have ever faced. It won't be pretty. Are you sure you wouldn't rather run around a bit more in the sunshine first?
I'm ready, sir.
Well,
Let's
then,
do this.
You're late, soldier. Now get in here and give me 20.
Oh. You just have a head thing. A head door. In my world, we use little triangle thingies called zeotaphs and challenge people in dreamscape thingies.
So, this is it.
I knew I would.
Mental world.
I knew there's a reason I wanted to play this game.
It looks like a dentist office.
Yeah, what the hell?
Dentist office.
Mental dental. Ha ha ha.
It's a recruiting office, kids, and I'm here to recruit you for the greatest job in the world, being a Psychonaut. It's about fighting a war for mental freedom. Are you ready to face torture, insanity, and death?
Yeah.
Your last chance to chicken out.
Oh, me,
I
sir.
love chicken.
I'd like to chicken out, please.
Too late, soldier.
Too late.
What you said?
There's
Chicken
only
shit.
one
You
way
gotta
out of
stay
here.
like the rest of us.
Fighting. I want one of you chickens to sock me square in the jaw.
Oh.
I warn you. Once you do, the war is on.
I want you to punch me really hard in the face, but when you do, I'm gonna kick your ass. What the heck? So just punch.
Pop me.
Okay.
Ah, that's what I'm talking about. Let's go, go, go.
Wait, I want to look around your office first.
Ow!
Try showing your own size, or bigger, like me.
He's almost exactly the same. Whatever. Anyway. My ears. He's dead. Oh God.
What kind of obstacle course is this? That kid just got killed.
A mental
That's what I'm talking
obstacle
about.
course, you bleeding heart. He's not dead. His astral projection just got kicked out of my mind.
Oh,
and I'll
okay.
kick your astral projection out of here too if you don't get moving right now.
Haha. He say a funny thing.
Dang, my bowels move more than you do, Pokey.
Okay, damn. Can't explore. Really hate him? Yeah. Oh. This is like... It's like a grave... Like a... military graveyard kind of thing. Oh. Oh my gosh, it's a scary
Relax.
monster.
That's just a figment of my imagination.
Oh, okay.
You can run right through figments. They help you rank up, and when you rank up, you earn new psychic powers. So
So just run through it?
Suck it up, soldier.
Okay.
Come on.
Wow, click the 100 and you'll be promoted. If you be promoted to a high enough rank, you'll earn new psychic abilities.
Get that figment. Be a figgy piggy.
What?
Hey, what are you staring at? We all have emotional baggage, kid. Why don't you
Oh,
make yourself
haha.
useful? Sort some of it out while you're in here. Keep your eyes peeled for a tag.
This is weird, I like it.
Could be anywhere.
I need the steamer trunk tag for this guy.
Oh, oh, that's what he was talking about. That thingy?
There it is. Now, you will pick up that tag and you will put it on that bag you just found. Unless you
Okay,
rather
damn.
just drop and give me 20 right now.
I would if I could, but I don't know how. I'm saying. This is like somewhere between Coraline and Banjo-Kazooie. I don't know how to describe this. This is very strange.
You hit that ladder hard, son. Show it who's boss.
I'm gonna beat the shit out of this ladder charge. I did it. Only, like... Wait. Oh, you get a bunch of them. I was thinking you just get one at a time. Does that hurt me? No. What does this do? Suitcase. Oh.
You're like molasses going uphill in January with crutches.
Oh my god. Oh god. Okay. I guess by the end of it I'll have enough. Oh, these guys just all give you figments.
Fire down below.
Oh shit. Ah. Fire bad. Fire good, but fire bad. Oh shit. Oh, and this douche is here.
We can't get past this. This is stupid.
That's what I'm talking about.
Looks like a test. There's probably a secret, more advanced route.
What's that supposed to mean? You think you're more advanced than me, new kid?
Sorry.
Yes.
What?
I'm not stupid. You're stupid. The coach is stupid. The whole camp is stupid.
So you have a problem, everybody else but you is stupid. Uh-huh, okay then.
Bobby Zeltz's foot, that's what? You stupid new kid. Yeah.
Your hair is like Cheeto lint. I don't know what it is. It's really strange.
I was saving this plant.
Never seen one so meaty before.
I have. It's been appearing in this creepy nightmare I keep having.
You're having nightmares? Oh, I've been reading about how to fix those. Will you let me see one?
No.
No. Oh, thank you for saving me or whatever. Oh, I want to jump down again. I want to explore. Oh. But not that, not yet, not yet.
Less waiting, more motivating.
Whoops, sorry. I'm gonna go down here now. I don't know where to go, but I'm gonna go over here. Wow, secret.
Dang, my bowels move more than you do, Pokey!
Piss off. Oh god. Do these fall down? Oh god. Tank. Oh.
Less waiting, more motivating!
What? Where? Why? Oh, I didn't even see this, like, incline.
Less waiting, more motivating!
Oh. I was gonna say, what happened to 100? Oh. Shimmy, 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 shimmy.
Is your name Joey?
No.
Cause I'm gonna call you Slowy Joey.
That's not my name.
What the hell, dude?
What was that, Slowy? I can't hear ya. You're talking too slow.
You jackass. Oh, that's pain. Ouch. Wait, what? I was gonna say, what hit me? I thought this was like harmful or something for a second.
Mentalis uberalis. Now that kind of
Oh,
wall,
damn.
you can climb it up, down, sideways, whatever way you want. Just get on it. Quick, like a monkey.
Pain. Oh my god. Wait.
Onward and upward, soldier.
Hey, slow down, you kid. If you pass me or Bobby, you'll make us look bad, and Bobby will pound you deaf. Bobby, can you hear me? Where are you?
He's dead. I think. Probably not though.
Watch those mines, kid. They'll blow you up like a 10-cent kazoo.
What? I want to run into them on purpose. That was an accident, but I got the thingy, so I don't care. Whoops, that was accident. I couldn't jump in time. I don't know if I got all of them, but open up. What do I do now? I miss? Oh, is this like the end? Oh, okay. I did it. I save. Okay.
Onward and upward, soldier.
Oh, it's not the end? I thought that was like the end of the course.
Plane's going down, soldier. Hit that door and Geronimo.
Hey, no one told me to pack a chute.
Did Washington have a chute when he crossed the Delaware? Just jump, sissy.
I mean, he was in a boat.
And then I gave Lady a bu-
Wee. I thought I died. Giving up this game, understand nothing. Sometimes it's fun not to understand it. Oh my god, that's loud. I like to be confused.
It's Raz!
Yay! Raz is here!
Yeah! Maybe you'll be able to beat this darn game. We can't do it.
Yeah, we're no good, and the coach won't open the gate until someone wins.
Oh, okay.
Yay, Raz! Just punch that to start.
You just dance around like a bunch of idiots. That sounds like fun too.
You score enough points on this course, kid, and I'll give you a reward.
Yay. 60 seconds, 20 points. Wow. What? Baby.
Hey, good job, soldier.
Wow.
Now here's your reward.
Wow. That's I always wanted that. Thank you.
Most people, they got something to hide. They store away their shame, their dirty little secrets, in these tiny vaults in their minds. But the enemy is not allowed any secrets in wartime, are they, soldier? So go ahead.
I guess not.
Bust open this vault. I got nothing to hide.
I'm gonna bust it.
Good.
Oh. I already have these. Are these your, like, secret thingies?
You
Okay.
enjoy that. One of my favorites.
Oh, okay. Wow, what the heck is that? Mental health. Wait, oh. Oh, okay. So there's gonna be a lot of dream places. Cool. Oh. Teleport you to any previously visited area in the world. Just pick your destination and go. Am I supposed to do that, or? Oh no, it's just like if you want to go back. Ouch! Wait, what are... Oh, I'm so sorry. I don't know if you were an enemy or... They're so adorable. Oh my god. Wow. It's, I don't know what that is. Is it a sleeping bag? Well, I'm dead. I honestly don't know if this is what I'm supposed to do. Ow. You stop work. Okay then.
Yeah! Classic Zen!
Okay, I'm gonna go in. I don't know what's down here, but... Wait. Did gravity just... whatever. This is a very long obstacle course. Who is crying? I hear crying. I don't know if I should save often, but I'm gonna do it anyway because I was trying to do some other games before this one and they just didn't want to load right. So I'm gonna just save as often as I can.
You can grab poles like that and swing on them. It's
Uh-huh.
all about upper body strength, you know?
Wait, I want the thingy. I want to go back down and get the thingy. Luckily, I don't think there's fall damage. Why do you not get that one? Why? Okay, I see. Wait. Okay, do I have yours? I guess I do. Attack. That's not where I wanted to go. Okay. Hold on. Okay.
Hold it right there, boy. That's a mental cobweb. You can collect them with a specialized piece of equipment once you get checked out on it. Till then, just steer clear of them.
What happens when I touch it? Okay.
You're like molasses going uphill in January with crutches.
Oh, I see. Up and then X. What? Oh, I see.
As you can see, the trapeze is very difficult. Most cadets can't handle it. You might just want to stay away from it. You still get a participation ribbon at the end of camp.
Now I try.
Mentalis uberalis!
Wait, what? I get these first. Someone's crying really bad. What?
You're like molasses going uphill in January with crutches.
Did I miss anything? How do we... Oh, I probably gotta jump up there.
Less waiting, more motivating!
Okay. Down here. Hello, welcome back.
Hey, kid!
Whoops.
Onward and upwards!
Well, I'm trying. Sometimes it just doesn't want to grab. What the heck? Why didn't you grab it? Well, I gotta stop that. As satisfying as that is, it's just not. I want to get to the top.
It's game day, kid!
What? It just does it either I don't jump far enough or I just don't jump. Or I let go like that. Sorry. If that is a very loud yell. Oh my god. Why? Okay, sheesh. Yep. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh. Okay.
Sucker, see you at the bottom.
I missed one. Why did I jump? I missed another one. Why did I jump? Those hurt. Sucks to be you. Haha. I did it. I guess that's like if I want to go back. I don't want to. I want to get to the top.
The old rolling tunnel of crazy logs bit. An old one, but a hard one. What you gotta do is... who we kidding? You're never gonna make it through that.
I'm gonna do it. Put me in, coach. Oh. I didn't turn fast enough, I guess. This is kind of cool. I like this weird thing. This weird ass puzzle traversal thing. I just have to be careful because I might slip off. I did it.
Hello? Hello? Guess I'm early.
What is this? I want to go in this door. I don't know what's in there, but I want to go in this door and probably fail or something. What is this window? I probably should have went here first.
Hold it right there, son. Now,
Hello.
just what in the Sam Hill do you think you're doing in there?
I was just looking for a way out.
Oh, sorry about that. Didn't think you'd get to the end so fast. Dang, I didn't think you'd get to the end at all. You surprised me out there, kid. Here, you've earned this. Your first Psychonaut merit badge.
Heck yeah. Was there 10 you gotta get, I guess?
But I'm always glad to see a soldier come back from the field alive. Now, if you'll excuse me, I gotta go back in. I left some good men back there.
I guess he's in now. He did it. I did it also. Yay. That was weird. I like it though.
Way to make us look bad in there.
Haha.
We're in trouble now. Bobby Zilch ain't happy.
You better watch yourself, Gogglelicious.
What's that, hair boy? You want a piece of me?
Hey, Brainiacs, settle down.
Why? You worried I'm gonna hurt your boyfriend?
No, because Sasha 9 is standing right behind you.
Sasha 9.
Your performance, young cadet, was outstanding. I'd like you to report to my lab for some advanced training.
Okay.
Raz the Spaz is gonna be in a special class. Benny, remind me to give him a special beating later, okay?
These tests are unauthorized, though, so I can't actually ask you to come. But if you happen to drop in, well, what could I do? Let me just give you this. Remember, your talent will always set you apart, Rasputin. Sometimes isolation is a good thing. It can lead to important discoveries.
Okay.
Wait! I don't even know what your lab is! Is this some kind of test?
Maybe.
Sometimes isolation is a good thing. It can lead to important discoveries.
And now I'm hearing things. Great.
Yeah. Walk up to them. Oh, okay. Last chance to chicken out. I guess that's what that was gonna say. Oh, nope. I was gonna grind down, but never mind. Save. Save, save, save. Wait. Does it show on the map? I guess this is the whole game. So I gotta go the other way. Yeah, okay, I had to go cross the bridge thingy.
This is the button that Sasha gave me. It's a clue to the location of his secret lab.
I know I want to do things first. Meow. Damn it. What? Was I supposed to... Okay. Yeah, I wanted to get the bird. Grind time.
Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes, right? And then I'm gonna start to count to 100, okay? And then you guys hide. Everybody got it?
It's hide and seek, Vernon, not hide and calculus. We've all got it.
I got it. You start counting, and then I go hide in that bush.
Great. 1.
You're not supposed to tell them.
You're a genius. Come on, Duggan.
Hold
Wow.
on. This reminds me of
That's
a
cheating.
story. It's about counting. Hello? Man, you guys are good.
On sale now in the main store, we have a special on Dream Fluffs. You hear me? Dream Fluffs. They're good for you. Keep a pocket full of these for a quick booster.
Oh.
Mental health.
Cool.
This is the button that Sasha gave me. It's a clue to the location of his secret. This is the button that Sasha gave me.
No.
No, I don't want to. This is the button that Sasha gave me. It's a clue to the
Shut up.
location of his secret lab.
Is this the store? How do I get in here? There's a shiny in here. Oh well. Beds. Where's the store? Is the store even here? Oh wait, I can go in here now. Or could I go in here before? I don't remember.
No, this is the button that Sasha gave me. No,
Shut up. I know. I'm collecting
it's a clue
things.
to the location of his secret lab.
Wait, was this where I came from before?
This is the button that Sasha gave me. It's a clue to the location of his secret lab. Frozen solid.
Damn you. Let me climb. Okay, so that's... I didn't recognize it from the opposite way. Why are there so many birds in this cave? How do I turn off bird tweets?
Okay, call me crazy, but I have just got to sell more Psychors today. So yes, these prices are real. Here at the camp store, Psychors are just that cheap today.
Okay, I go over the bridge now. Maybe that's where the store is at.
No passing.
But I
I'm
need
gonna
to
pass.
get to Sasha 9's secret lab.
Maybe you should have thought of that before.
I did think of that before. That's why I'm here now.
Exactly. Now you gotta pay the toll. 1 arrowhead. Pay up.
Oh.
I found this thing. Is that what you're talking about?
Yep, that's an arrowhead.
How'd they get here?
Frankie, the new kid can't be this dumb, right? The camp's built on an Indian burial ground and...
Oh my gosh! Indians buried their dead here?
Ew! I hope not. No, stupid. They buried their arrowheads here. They're hidden underground, but they let out a little gas once in a while. Just like Coach Oleander. So if you see any of that stuff, just pull them right out. Like truffles. Anyway, let me have one of yours.
I gave one I guess. Just kind of looked at him. I see. Oh, this is the main campground, I see.
Whoa there, you. Come here, you. Can't do the scavenger hunt without a list. Report back to me when you have enough items for your first promotion. Now get!
Okay.
So where do I... Hey, where'd he go?
You can't ask him about a scavenger hunt. You gotta get this stuff.
So fast?
Let me mark your map and tell you where all the items are you're supposed to find. Okay, stupid rock. This is practice or whatever. Just chilling, that's cool. Wilderness? Huh. Wait, oops. I wanted to explore the campground. Ooh, what's this? Oh. No thank you.
You have a water phobia? Me too!
Huh? No. Well, yes. My family has this problem with water. It's a bunch of hooey anyway. Some old gypsy curse about how we're all supposed to die in water. If you can believe that.
Oh, I thought it was about the whole thing with the brain-eating fish that walks out of the lake at night to hunt for victims. Well, see ya!
So just don't worry about that.
Hey, Raz. I saw you and Lily talking in the coach's class, and I was wondering, were you asking her to go with you?
What? No! I'm here to train. No distractions.
Excellent. Bye.
Say good, because if you talk to her again, you're gonna die. He's like, she just has the hots for her, I guess. I don't know.
Okay, that one you had coming.
How dare you fly away? I don't know what you get from them, but I have to destroy them. It's for the good of the population. Not really. It's just murder. Bored murder.
Remember to keep filling up those scavenger hunt forms. We got a couple of big promotions for the winner.
Oh wow, that's scary. I should probably walk that way, huh? Sheesh. We go in here. Hello. How do you talk again?
I'll
Sorry.
make a canoe out of your hide if you try that one more time.
Hey, Mr. Cruller.
Oh,
can I
triangle.
take out a canoe?
Mr. Who? You will call me Admiral, son. No, you can't charter a vessel. Not without an oarsman's badge.
Oh. I need more badges so I can be a Pokemon master. Ha ha ha. Ha 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 ha.
What's that round thing up on the dock?
That thing? Oh man, let me tell you about that thing. That thing is none of your stinking business.
Ha ha ha.
Hey! Oh no, you don't. Hey! Hey!
I want I will destroy them. Well, I can't go that way.
Stupid fish!
You got the best idea now. Hey,
Haha.
Oh, no, you don't.
That's what you get for assaulting fish. You suck. I need to find the general store or whatever. Uh-oh, he got me. I guess I have to have the canoe to get out there. Oh man. Not doing so hot.
Sorry.
Sorry. You get nothing for it, it's just... It is a habit. I must get all the things because you never know when you're gonna need them. I don't think I got a single scavenger hunt thing yet. Where the heck is the general store? That was the lake. That's the lake. Yeah, that's the lake. I saw the green and it made me think water for some reason. Is that a car? That's the camp start. That's the main camp. That's the water, and I gotta go over there. I see.
it's the king of the obstacle course!
Hey, Raz! You're awesome! You must be a Psychonaut by now!
Yeah, or even a double Psychonaut!
Oh no, not yet. But soon. Wow.
Someday.
Those two are so nice.
What are you doing? I don't know if they're evil or if they don't know what they're doing or brainwashed or something. Ooh, hello. Gold doubloon. Wait, how do you check your thingy? Redeem stuff. Wait. Oh yeah, I got one of the thingies. There's a lot of other stuff. Oh my god. Can I climb this?
We're still punching! Yay, Raz! Punch, punch, punch!
Punch, punch, punch!
Punch, punch, punch!
I have to go.
Punch, Raz! Punch!
Hooray!
What the hell? You guys are kind of... I don't know, you got a bit of a screw loose. What is this log? Is that all this tower does is make noises from that dude? I have a ton of these now. What was that? That's a light. Wait. Oh, cool. There's a lot of challenge markers. I just need to find the camp store. Where... I'm assuming this is it. Need to actually go inside. Hello. Wait, that's the door. Oh. I thought that thing in the front was the door for a second. Ooh.
Why, I oughta simmer down there, Phoebe. You promised Mia you wouldn't burn any more kids.
Oh god.
Okay.
I forgot you're the
Hey, why
fire
are you
starter.
stopping? Oh, I thought you stopped. No, 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 no. Let's go.
Hello.
Excuse me.
I told you them burgers ain't ready.
No, you didn't.
The coals ain't hot. They're not gonna be done for a while. Maybe a week.
A week?
Damn.
They're back ordered. I'm the only one back here. These things take time.
I don't even want a hamburger.
Oh, well, why didn't you say so? So, what do you want? Oh, that's my
Supplies.
last cobweb duster. Take that into someone's mind with you. You can clean up. Get rid of
800.
the webs, and you can. Now with that, you can change the color of some. Now here's something. Now that dowsing rod will help you find arrowheads that are buried deep. Now, you take that psi core there, put it together with 9 psi cards, and you'll have yourself a brand new psi challenge marker.
Okay.
Dream fluffs, delicious, nutritious, and cheap. Each one is packed with concentrated mental health. You shouldn't go anywhere without a pocket full of those.
Okay.
Now, you take that psi core there, put it together with 9 psi cards, and you'll have yourself a brand excellent choice. What else can I do you for?
Take it.
Alrighty then. What else can I do you for?
That's it for now.
I guess that's all I can
Go
do.
get more airheads and come on back. Support your local merchants.
Now
I'm
that's
sorry
still
for
wrong.
ruining your concert.
Okay. Let's do it like we did before lunch.
Oh, what is this?
Nah, that's not making the reception any better.
Ha.
I suck! No way.
No, you don't. Okay, I don't know what I do with the card thingies, but how do I? How? Huh? How do I do the whole marker thingy though? Maybe it's just automatic? I don't know. I gotta go that way, I think, to the, follow this road and go to the X so I can actually progress instead of just looking around. Man, to find hundreds of these things, it must take a while. It's just straight this way. GPC.
Hey, you're that new kid, ain't you?
Well,
Yes.
I'm doing some advanced training right now, as a matter of fact, so I don't think new kid is really a name that you want to get too used to saying.
Hold on there. You're not doing Sasha Nine's advanced training that he does in his secret underground lab, are you? Hidden deep within the iron walls
Probably
of the
yes, no.
GPC, where no one can hear you screaming?
Why, yes, I am.
Sakes alive.
Well, nice knowing you.
Ha, I'm gonna die. Oh.
Hey,
Oh.
was that you? Looking at me?
Maybe you should try getting over yourself? There were a lot of other people on that stage besides you.
No, just now, in the woods. No. It must have been something else. You don't smell like pond scum.
Nice. You should write greeting cards.
There was some sort of shadowy being out there. Lurking. Watching.
I know of only one creature who fits that description. It likes to hide in dark places, silently watching unsuspecting children from a distance.
Really? Who?
You, tree sitter!
Oh, I see. She sounds like, that sounds like Angelica's voice from Rugrats. Where are those, like, thingies?
I saw Nils peeking into a hole in the girls' cabin.
I'm hiding.
And I thought, oh, Nils,
I'm hiding.
when will you peek into the hole in my heart? Because you
Oh
just
my
see
God.
yourself staring back.
What? Hello?
Watch it! Watch it!
I don't know if I can fight that thing. Oh shit. I have not had my advanced training yet. Hello?
Excuse me, Mr. Ranger, but I'm looking for Sasha Nine's lab.
I know where it
Well,
is,
now
but I just
you
wanted to
know
talk to you
where
real
it
quick.
was, and if it were down here, and even if you were very, very close to it right now, you shouldn't be poking around here. This forest is off limits. Now get!
No. I must collect all the things. Okay, go to the lab now. Well, there's more things. Hello.
That looks like fun.
It's work. I'm testing a low-orbit spaceplane design.
Oh, okay. I go here now. Ooh, cards. This place doesn't sound very fun. How... the top one, I guess?
Thanks. I thought I was gonna have to eat my own arm.
Oh.
What is this thing?
It's a GPC, a geodesic psycho-isolation chamber.
Oh man, cool!
Cool?
Cool.
Do you have any idea what this does?
No.
Something cool?
No. It's a six-sensory deprivation tank. A hermetically sealed metaphysical hotbox. It's solitary confinement for psychics.
Nasty. And the coach locked you inside it?
Nah, the staff hasn't put any kids in the GPC since the 50s. Bobby threw me in here.
Bully and dwarf accomplice
Damn.
should assault own size or larger only. While in cooler, perhaps notice gigantic bear with skin where hair should be?
I didn't see anything in there. That's the whole point.
Just so. Empty now. Good luck, small ones.
Hey, wait!
Well, I'm gonna go try it. Trash can, dead. I don't know if I,
Looks like one of the buttons is missing.
I just didn't have it turned on right. Button. Where be the button? Is that like it just tells you you're supposed to be here? Okay. Maybe it's on the outside somewhere. That just tells me like find the button. Complete the, like, I want to, but I don't know how. Where is Sasha? Ooh, a thingy. I gotta get the thingy. Maybe the bear has it. No, no. How the heck? Oh, that's another thingy. Oh, you suck. You had a thing and now you don't. Oh wait, can I go in there? Can I like crawl somehow? No. Damn it. How do I get them out? don't know if I hear that bear again. Is it possible for me to destroy the bear early? What is this?
Nope, still won't budge.
Nope. Ow. Ow. I gotta go, he's gonna kill me. Well, I'm dead. What? Oh. So, I don't know what to do now. Another arrowhead.
Call me crazy, but I have a weird feeling that that button Sasha gave me goes here.
How do I do it?
Call me crazy, but I have a weird...
I have the button, but where is the button? I did have it. Five of 100. Oh, okay.
Weird feeling that that button Sasha gave me goes here. Call me crazy, but I have a weird feeling that that button Sasha gave me goes here.
How do I put it there, though? I'm not even holding it anymore. I thought I had it still. Still have not gone to that one other area. Am I still holding it? I can't tell. I was holding it, but now it's gone. I don't know. I don't know where else it would be. I don't know, I think I might take a break from this game tonight. I might switch to something else really quick. Did I already save it? I think I saved it already. Yeah. I was like not paying attention for a sec. Alright, I play something else now. What should I play? I tried to play this earlier and it wouldn't let me start it for some reason, so I'm not gonna do that one, I guess. I still kind of want to try this out. I could try it, I guess. Oh my god. Why does this thing never like to switch to like Nightbot or anything else. Let me see something really quick. And it's in... It's not even showing the updated picture in Nightbot. Do. Can I switch it from my own thing? What the heck? Why does it always do that? I can never change the name of the game without just changing, like, going to Twitch and changing it myself. Trick or treat challenge. Okay, are we good? Alright, on Twitch, it should be good now. Oh my god. This is another one I have the first one. I don't know if I have two of them. I just never tried it out. Until the eye is very barely visible. What eye? Oh. I'm just gonna keep it in the center because I know how these things go. Don't turn it off if you see the eye. Okay. And the sniff start chapter selection. Wait. I just kind of went into that because I had an exclamation point. I don't know. I wanted to start a new game though. I'm just gonna start a new game. I don't know what that is. Let me change real quick. To wear the shorts now. Okay, new game. I don't know if this is kind of like one of those games where you have to be very careful and try not to like use stealthery. Be stealth. Be a stealth lad. Be a Metal Gear. Metal Gear Jones. Snake Jones. I don't know. Because I had some ideas for games tonight, like Okami was going to be one of them, but I feel like that, I don't know if that's a Halloween game, but I definitely want to play it soon. Like, there's a few games out there I've been wanting to play for a while. Like, I got the Tales of Symphonia HD. I got, you know, like, Psychonauts and Psychonauts 2, but I don't know. I'll get back to that at some point in time. Oh, hello. I must hydrate. My throat is all eh. Okay. We're playing. Oh, lighter and jump is my abilities. Excuse me. I don't know if that was audible noise, but I don't know what that was. My throat makes something akin to a burp that sounds like a demon speaking, so you might hear that occasionally. Oh yeah, I guess I should use my lighter. I just figured out that I had wait, can I like oh, okay, cool. Oh, okay. I didn't see any of the controls beforehand, so how do I okay, crouch. Do. We being sneaky. Oh. This game also isn't as loud as Psychonauts was, so I could bump the audio a little bit. Tiny little bit. Can I like fall off? Okay, make sure. This kind of reminds me of Limbo a little bit, like kind of like side-scrolly puzzles, very dark and ominous. Hello. Can I like grab this? I can. I don't know why, but I can. Wait, what? Anyway. Is that a person outside, or is that a, Yay, jumping on a bed. Damn, I am very tiny. Oh. That's unfortunate. I don't know if I can open doors. Oh. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh, I gotta push it all the way against the wall. Is the can in the way? Get out of here. Can I turn this sideways? What the heck is in the way? Whatever. I got it. Icky goo. Wait. Can I? Oh. I couldn't get in there for a second. What? Wait, no. I wanna, can I? I I don't know what to do now. That's a gas canister thingy, right? I need arrows. I need bomb arrows. I don't know what to do right now. I go back this way, I guess. Can I open this? What? Oh, shoes. Wait, what? Can I? What was that thing? Like a triangle running away or something. Oh no. I was wondering if that was gonna chase me for a second. Does this follow you? I gotta jump up here, I guess. Don't mind me. Uh-oh. Let's see, how would I get over here? Oh, I see. Little dude. Oh god. Okay then. Very spooky. Oh, wait. I wanna... Whoops, sorry. I do not mean to break your kneecaps. I just want to see what's up here. Hi, dude, come back. It's like little miniature pyramid head or something. I don't know what the heck it is. It's interesting. Where did he go? Also, okay, they're just automatic save only. Sunlight. Oh. You have to be fast. How the heck do I get over there? I have to find something to keep it in place. But what? Oh wait, I'm dumb. Oh no. How the heck? Is there... Can I run? Oh, that would explain it. Okay. Okay, I made it. Yay. It's him. I can do a heckin' slide. Uh-oh. What's happening? Oh my god. What is that thing? Look like a mummy or something. I don't know what the heck that was. Okay, how did I know that was gonna happen? But I did it anyway. How far back am I? Okay, cool. Don't touch electrical surfaces unless it's not electrical. Some good advice to remember. Hello, rat. How to... Do I use toilet paper to stop the... Take this electric fence. How do you like that shit? Oh. Wait. Okay. I gotta drag this over here, don't I? Okay. No more power. Oh shit. Wait, is this room electrified or something? I'm not doing this very fast. Choo choo. Okay, why can I not get on this? Barrel. Hello, welcome back. I fall asleep. I switched over to Little Nightmares. I have never played this game. So I guess I gotta go back and just run my ass off over to the side. Oh, I gotta go this way now. Oh no. I've never played this before. I gotta do this fast, I guess. No time. Go, please. Why do you not go? I'm gonna die. Oh my gosh, that was close. I hope that was the last one. Do 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 do. Oh no. What is this place? What is this hellish nightmare? Do 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 do. Oh oh god. You don't see me. Oh good. I thought these doll thingies were gonna come to life and chase me around or something. Fast, 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 fast. Oh shit. Pull the drawer out maybe. Oh. I just wasn't jumping high enough. Wait, hold on. You don't see me. What is this weird place? I go this way. Okay. I just want to see if there's anything up here. Is that? Oh, it's a little statue. You. Maybe this is just a place to hide or something. I don't know. Whoa, 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 don't fall. Oh shit, what's happening? What is that thing? Is that a... what is it, a child sleeping on top of the bed? Yeah. I do kind of like that though, it's kind of freaky. It's like you just gotta use your common sense or you die. Hello, fellow smaller people? Humans? I don't know if that was a giant or a demon or what the heck's going on. I don't know if I should go in here so nonchalantly. That's even the right word. So anything that looks like a crate you can use as a ladder. How long are these games usually? I don't think I never really watched anyone play this either. I just heard it was really good. Do. Oh god. What's happening? Am I hungry or dying or what the heck's going on? I don't like... what's happening? They're kind of long? Oh, okay. Huh. Oh, thank you. Oh my gosh. I'm just hungry. Health restored. Thank you, person, whoever you are. I don't know if that's just a rope or a noose hanging around. I can already tell this is a very dark game. I don't even know how old this game is now. It feels like it's been out for like 4 or 5 years. Or longer. Electricity time. Okay. Uh-oh. What was that? Wait, no, 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 shit. Oh god. Oops. Made a little oopsies. Didn't happen. You know, just erase that from your memory. Okay, we're back. Did she eat yet? I think this is I have to eat again. Oh my gosh. I literally looked away for a second and I fell off a cliff. Oops. I fell off the side. That's also didn't happen. Erase it from your memory. Okay, let's go. It never happened. Sometimes my depth perception goes to nothing. Yeah, let's try not to fall off the side now. Okay, so at least it remembers that I did that. Probably gotta jump and run and jump. Okay. Can I climb the chain? Yes, okay. At first I thought I had to swing it back and forth. Hooray. What is that ladder? That was a fake ladder. Nope. Oh god. Nope, nope. Okay, whatever. Boom. What happened? I don't know. Wait a minute. Oh, no, oh god. Oh, I'm glad I didn't die. That was my bad. No. Up. Wait, I want to go back over here. Why do you... Okay. Does this go the other way now? Oops. Okay then, that's not, I don't think that's what you do, or I just wasn't fast enough. Where am I? Oh my gosh. The checkpoints are kinda not very forgiving. Well, not too far back at least. It basically just fell off multiple times, but it didn't happen, so. Not this one. Okay, so climb this, turn the thingy on, turn the power on. Okay. Oh wait, hold on. You don't have to turn it like all the way. I gotta be really fast. Yeah, I don't think that was fast enough. Well, maybe it's gonna go. It's going very slowly. Oh my gosh. We're doing it, making progress. We're gonna get there. Oh boy. Oh my gosh. I wonder how many people have done this by accident. Going 0.5 miles an hour. We're gonna get there in like 20 minutes. Hooray! Yes. Absolutely no idea what's going on. Oh no, I hear... Oh no, it's electricity. I thought I heard someone walking around. No. Climb. No. Okay. Guess I just have to jump. Or at least that one doesn't have a timer, I don't think. Oh no. Oh, hello. Are you trapped? I help you, and you run away. Whatever. Is it bad if I push this off? Okay. Am I back to where I was? Oh, that scared me. Is this a different place? No, this is definitely the same place. Maybe? Oh god. Leave me alone, please. Oh, it's just this. Oh, I can go through here now. That's the main difference. I see. The all-seeing eye wants to kill me again. Oh. This is gonna be fun. Oh no, you don't see me. You don't see me. I want to get behind this. Nope, you don't see me. Nope, nope. Didn't happen. Didn't happen. Hooray. Oh god. I hung on to the perfectly to the edge and I just fell right off. That was smart. Oh no, how far back am I? Okay, I'm just here. That's fine. That's okay. You just gotta remember to jump early next time. Don't see me, don't see me. Didn't happen. Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh boy, that's scary. I am here now. Hello. Little, I like to call them little pyramid heads. Oh, I escaped the prison or whatever. Or this is the prison, I don't know. Hooray. Oi, 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 oi. I might stop here though at 11 in about 16 minutes though. Because for me it's a little late and I wanted to do some stuff. But might change my streaming kind of stuff in November. I'll still play games and stuff, but I wanted to try some new stuff or try some old stuff like music and art and stuff like that. I wanted to start my game progress on stream, so that should be fun. So I guess like the next save point. Ooh, what's up here first? Can I go up here? Maybe I should check what that is first really quick. Do 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 do. Okay. What's in here? Checker floor. Hello. Why do you hate me? Huh? How did you do that? Can't see. Oops, my bad. Oh god, don't burn the place down. Or do? I don't know what kind of place this is. Oh. Oh, it's stuck. I can't go up there. I guess I just can't go this way. Or not, never mind. Oh, I found you again. What did I just hear? Is there like a beast in here? I can't jump that far. I guess I just have to do this to start the whole thing. Oh. That doesn't look like a fun bed to be in. Okay, now what needed a key? Oops. Was there a keyhole in this? Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my gosh, if I can't get this now. Okay. Is there a keyhole here? Where is the keyhole? Oh. I didn't realize this opened. Whoops. Oh, okay. Whoops. Hooray, yeah. Monkey shine monkey. There he goes. Am I supposed to use this? I don't know. Oh, okay. Thank you. Elevator. Okay, I can climb this. Where am I going? Oh, I need the thingy again. I guess? Okay, this is an elevator, so I didn't even think about that. This is my emotional support monkey. That rat is almost as big as me. What the heck? Oh no. I'm getting hungry again, I guess. Do I have to eat rats or something? That's... Oh no. I don't think I'm gonna be able to hold him. Ah. Oh. I probably have to. Please don't shut on me. I knew it. It was a trap. I don't like this place. I did it. Can I have a friend? Okay, I guess I'm gonna have to drag you over here, pal. This will not alert the guards, I'm sure of it. No. Oh, dang. Aha! I win. Oh, okay. Oh, that doesn't... Oh. Uh-oh. What the heck? You don't see me. Oh god. Wait. Oh crap, I went the wrong way. Oh no. Oh, he's gonna eat me. I didn't notice the little hole in the wall until it was already too late. I was like, I gotta go hide. Oh shit. At least I'm still in here. Didn't happen. That was fake. Fake timeline. You don't see me. I am not here. Oh shit. Whoa, ho. Oh. Oh, I gotta keep going. Oh god. What do I do? Oh shit. Oh, you're terrifying. Oh god. Okie dokie then. This will probably be my last attempt. Then I gotta go for the night. Let's see. I gotta jump up on that one thing. Do 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 do, go away. No 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 no. Oh, you suck. How the heck do I get away from him? I one more shot. I gotta figure out what the heck to do here. I probably have to just not suck. And I don't know if I am supposed to be stealth here or what. But he can smell me, so... Yeah, he can smell me no matter what, I guess. I am not here. You don't see me. He gone? I think he's gone. Hello? Can I not get up here? That handle. Oh yeah, it goes in that little triangle hole. You don't hear that. Yo. Oh. I think he might know I'm down here. Potentially, maybe. Whoops. Oh. Are these shoes? What's happening? Oh no. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Get up there. Get up there. Get up there. Get up there. Oh, I'm dead. I couldn't go any faster, I don't think. Where am I? So that's a save point, right? That next time I'll start from here. Okay, I think that's it for me tonight. I like this game. I'll definitely play more of it. I'll probably play a lot more of the games I've started. But yeah. Hope you guys had a happy Halloween and had some fun today. I just played Psychonauts in this, so I didn't have a lot of time to do stuff. I was gonna stream a lot earlier, but I was gonna do some stuff like watching Halloween commercials and stuff, but I don't know. It was still fun. But we're gonna do a lot of fun stuff in November and December, so stick around. And also, like I said before, follow the other channel at IxelithTV. It might be Ixelith_TV. And that's where all the VODs are going, because they don't stay here because the algorithm and all that fun stuff. But yeah, I will see you in November. I will see you tomorrow, probably. Play something. I was thinking about continuing with Sonic Generations, and since we did the Shadow story, just go back and do the newer version of the Sonic stuff, because I never actually beat Sonic Generations. But we're also going to do a lot of custom like game stuff and artwork and music and stuff next month. Mixed in with some remixes, I guess. I'm not really sure yet. But anyway, hope you guys have a good night. Let me see. See if I can raid on Twitch really quickly. Do. See who's on really quick. Twitch is being very slow right now. I did not click on anyone's stream. I don't know why it started that. Do. Who to raid? I don't know if I ever rated Roy. Let's see. Maybe I can do that. Okay, I'm gonna raid Roy Shadow. I think that's how you say the last name. I always just call him Roy, so. They're cooking, so baking an apple sheet cake, so go over there and say hi. If you're following me on YouTube, then have a good night, but I'm doing a little Twitch raid to end it up. Thank you guys for hanging out. I'll see you tomorrow. We'll do something. Good night.